Hi, I am Sarwar. Today I am going to show you how to add SMS button on your website. So to add a website button on your website, I am using Bit Assist plugin. So let's go to WordPress dashboard. Click on Bit Assist, add widget, give a widget name. Click on create button. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel, SMS, give here phone number. Here is some advanced features: hide after office hours in pro version, and channel show in desktop or mobile. I keep it both. Now click on save button. Now go to WordPress page and refresh the page. Here you can see the Bit Assist logo bottom corner of the screen. So click on it and click on SMS. Exactly this feature work in mobile device. You can give SMS anybody in your contact by using mobile phone by visiting this site. So in this way you can add your SMS button on your website. So thanks for watching this video.